Right, welcome to Simplify. Today we're going to be looking at multiplying or expanding binomials. Now, when multiplying binomials, or any set of polynomials for that matter, we need to make sure that every term in the first bracket is multiplied by every term in the second bracket. Okay, we got to make sure that we leave no one out. And the easiest way to ensure this is to use what's called the FOIL method. Now, FOIL is an acronym that stands for first, outside, inside, and last. Okay. Now, first means we have to multiply, starting off, the numbers that come first in our brackets, okay, or the variables, in this case, x and x. So x times x, we all know, is x squared. Now we move to the outside. So these are outside terms of our bracket. So we have x again in the first bracket, and 3 is the outside number in the second bracket. So 3 times x, we get 3x. Okay, inside, 2 in the first, x in the second, 2 times x, 2x. And our last numbers, we have 2 in the first bracket, 3 in the second bracket, 2 times 3 gives us 6. So it's properly expanded at this point, but we always want to clean things up and make them look pretty. So that means gathering our like terms. So if we were to gather up all our like terms, there's only the one x squared, but we have 3x and 2x. These are like terms. If we add those together, we get 5x, and 6 is our constant, only one of them. And that is our properly expanded or multiplied binomial. Look at a slightly more challenging example, but it won't be significantly more challenging as every binomial multiplication will be the same steps. We're going to stick to our FOIL principle. The only difference is as the algebra becomes a little bit harder if we introduce negatives and add some leading coefficients in front of our variables, as we'll see in this example. So again, we'll stick with our FOIL principle. We're going to multiply our first terms in each bracket, which is x times 2x, which will give us 2x squared. We'll move to the outside of our bracket, so that's going to be x and 4. 4 times x will give us plus 4x. Moving to the inside, we have negative 7. Okay, so make sure we include that negative in our multiplication. Negative 7 times 2x would be negative 14x. And to wrap it all up, we have to look at our last. Again, negative 7 times positive 4, and we get negative 28. Okay, and much like our example before, in this final step, we want to look for an opportunity. Are there any like terms? And we can clearly see that we have a 4x and a negative 14x. We need to combine those, so our final answer will be 2x squared, 4x, subtract 14x, give us negative 10x, and we still have our negative 28. Okay, and that would be our fully expanded or multiplied binomial.